Hey, what's going on? It's your boy Darty. Just going to go over a quick weekly analysis on the NASDAQ as well as the NQ. These are the current contracts. I did roll them over, so they are the December. On the left, you have the S&P. On the right, you have the NASDAQ. So, first thing we're going to look at is where we are. Currently, price closed at 44.98 on the S&P. So, my volume node that I am currently looking at is kind of line in the sand area. Value area low of last week's weekly profile at 4509 area. Looking at the daily profile, had a pretty strong push all the way down on Friday. So this is kind of my balance area. Friday's low, right around this 43 area, all the way up to about 4508 area. So what I would be looking is, will we be able to get above this area and build? And if we build, then I will be looking for a retest or a sweep in this area and continue higher if building higher. Same thing on the bottom side. We break down below out of this area. I will be looking this week's value area low in 83 or 85 to be some sort of support. I would be looking for a build being Friday's low as well as the previous week low 84 area. If we get a build, I will anticipate a push down to this weekly POC, naked POC that we have. So looking at the daily profile, this is what I'm looking at. If we build below here, build, or is a build like this, and a push lower, retest to continue down. So deposit profile provides confluence on this. This is our volume node. Can get above this 08, 09 LVN here. Right here, this area, I will be looking for it to transfer its value back up to this 30 here. It's pretty much what I'm looking at on the S&P. Now on the NASDAQ, same scenario. Go to the daily profile. Here's our little volume node right here. So we're looking at about roughly 400, 15,407 to Friday's low about 350 area. I'm looking for a kind of build either above or below this. If we get above this, my line in the sand is really this 450 area. That's a pretty dominant LVN. If we get above that and build, I will be looking to trade toward this past week's point of control at 579, top side of value 625. So on like that, I'll be looking to trade higher. If we break down below, I'll be looking to test its value area highs and continuing down to some point of controls. The composite profile, get into this thin print, I will anticipate for it to continue building until about this 275 area right here, 78, kind of a pretty decent LVN. See if there's any sort of back and forth to provide two-way trade to fill out this LVN. If we continue building below this 275 area, I will anticipate to trade toward this 133 across this LVN, which should coincide with the S&P. If we get below this 83 area, I would be looking for this to transfer all the way down to 50 area. So that's kind of my high time frame weekly analysis. Just watching where it's at, where it's going, where it's been, where it's currently at. This is where we are. This 15,400 and roughly 4,500. Gonna patiently wait and see where will we get our higher or lower, or will we balance within this. Be aware that Wednesday we have Jerome Powell in the FOMC. So be aware we may just kind of balance back and forth for the first part of the week. So again, I appreciate everybody for tuning in. Thank y'all.